Gold and silver both traded with a modest bullish bias yesterday and fairly traded in range as we discussed yesterday that only bullishness in gold is above 2340 levels. It has gone close to it but failed to break past. We have seen it reversing and again coming to the support zone. And on the downside, yes, it has failed to break below 2310. That is also a good support level. It has respected. Likewise with silver on the upside, 27 40 50 60 zone is what we have seen it getting giving more resistance and stronger resistance. So now what to expect today? Can we expect the metals to shine or there is a possibility of a fall? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session, before the data releases. Do not miss that. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. That is always a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now see gold on the hourly charts have formed a very strong support here at 2315 levels. You can see none of the candles here has closed below 2315. So after the rise, it has created a support here at 2314-15 zone, and now with that support it is trying to rise. Thus again it is clear that we can sell here at 2314-15 levels, but then we have to wait for it to break below 23,810 and then below that 2300 levels. If these three levels are taken, then only we should say that still gold is turning bearish. Else you can see after the rise it is trying to form a sideways channel here, and a breakout is going to be stronger one as well. Now if it shows a breakout, then where to buy it? This is the point where we have seen it getting resistance. It has tried to show a breakout but failed to sustain here. Let's see further. If you look at the stock RSI, this is stock stick is rising as, and if you look at MACD, see MACD is trying to converge here and crossover for buys. This could lead to a little bullish momentum. Let's see if it does stay with this bullish crossover. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, what gold has done so far, see it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has waited for the 20 period to climb down or come down, and now it is finding it difficult to break beyond the 20 and 50 period moving average. And that is why I say this is going to be critical for gold to now break beyond 2340 levels, and that should be confirmation of a reversal. Moving averages crossing over here again is a sign of bearishness. Now what is happening, if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar formation here rise and it is under retracement. Almost symmetrical formation is observed. And if you look at these three candles, see it has formed a very good base, and look at the body size is trying to increase, which is suggestive of little bullish momentum here for now. But if you also notice these three candles, the bearish candles are stronger, the bullish candle, the greener candles are smaller in size. This also suggests that it is under retracement, not a complete reversal. Thus, we have to wait for the next candle. If it opens flat and gives a stronger momentum, suggests that it is going to stay bullish. Now look at the MACD. This is trying to diverge. It is looking upwards, and the crossover has come at a lower levels, trying to sustain it. RSI rising. Stochastic has also hit the bottom, trying to bounce back. Coming to 3, likewise on the 3-hour charts, symmetrical higher lows trying to rise here. Possibly we may see it hitting 2330 levels again. Yes, you can buy here at 2325 26 zone, but then 2330 32 should be a good resistance, then 2336 and then 2340 42 level. So a very stronger resistance exists for gold here on the upside as long as 2340 levels are not breached. Beyond 2340 is where we can say slight bullishness can be observed. Now if you look at, this is the rise here, almost symmetrical formation. What preceded this was a sharper fall, and if it gives a breakout, that will lead to a stronger rise towards 2360 and plus levels. MACD is also divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards here. RSI is rising. Stochastic has dropped a bit. Coming to 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts as well. After the rise consolidating here, we have to wait for a breakout. The moving averages crossing over here is a sign of bearishness, but also it can try to attempt and achieve 20 period moving average for once, and in fact can break out beyond these levels. Thus you need to be trading with caution. Right now it appears that there could be slight retracement on the upside, and a selling entry now on the downside is below 2314-15 levels only. Look at MACD. This is crossing over here, signs of bullishness. RSI rising. Stochastic has dropped here. Coming to daily. Now before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting week 1st of May. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. In this batch, we focus on sharing all the concepts, tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades with ease and identify the right trends so that you can trade the right trades at the right points. And yes, you can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So if you have any queries or doubts related to the services, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. The contact details are here in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with global presence, which offers all the diverse set of instruments from across the globe, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. So thus you can save your money which you are paying to your broker in the terms of fees. You can safeguard that and you can join the broker here in the link mentioned in the link. By joining to the link, you will definitely get the best spreads on off. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see first of all, prices are divergent here from the 20 period moving average. It is converged here. Now what you can see here, prices are trying to stabilize here with the 20 period moving average as the median here. If you look at the 20 period moving average right now sitting at around 23, 25, 26, and the median of the Bollinger Bands is sitting at around 23, 45, 50 zone. So first of all, also one must look at the preceding two candles. What has happened in the preceding two candles? A bigger bearish candle, then a moderate, you can say there was a sharp fall, but the body size was smaller, suggests that the prices were not willing to stay bearish. Then again, the candle yesterday, despite creating higher lows, we have seen it delivering a red candle here. Now, this suggests that prices are not willing to stay bullish as well, but it has formed a nice reversal pattern here. This could be a reversal sign here. However, one must note that once the prices breaks below 2310 2308 zone, you can say we are looking forward to a break which can in fact take it towards the double bottom levels. This could be continuation of this candle where we have seen a sharper fall. This could be continuation of this if we see gold trading below 2308 2310 zone. Then we can say now prices are turning bearish and then we can look forward to a fall towards 2298 2290 and in fact lower level. But right now if you look at what it is suggestive of, that it can in fact see diminishing body size, the red part of the candle here, you can see this diminishing means it is suggestive that the bears are getting weak here and thus the possibility of a reversal will be high from the current. So looking at this, you can buy here at 23 25 26 levels and then expect 23 30 32 first target, 36 the second, and then 42 41 levels the third one. Beyond 23 40 42 is where slight bullishness, the bullish momentum will increase and I will look forward to 23 48 50 levels. If it breaks past 23 48 50, just stay bullish. There is a stronger rise which is going to be seen and we can look forward to 23 60 as the next target. Remember, if it bounces back, if it breaks beyond 23 40 42 zone, more bullish momentum is going to prevail today itself. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 23 14 15 levels, but then also you have to be careful at around 23 8 and 10. Only and only if it breaks below 23 8 and 10, you can say slight increase in bearishness will be observed, and if it breaks below 23 8 10, we can look forward to 2302 2298 as the first target, 2290 as the second. Below 2290 is where the bearishness will be increasing and we can look forward to a sharper fall towards 2275 and 2260 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now likewise, silver on the hourly charts, you can find out after the rise it is just consolidating here in the range. It is finding it difficult to stay above 2740 levels, which is indeed a very good resistance here. And yes, we have also seen it getting support from 27 27 20 zone here. So what we could do here, we can find out, see, if you're buying at 2740, we have to wait for it to stay above 2760 levels, and once it stays above 2760, we can say it is going to give you a stronger breakout on the upside like this. See, this was the rise here, this could continue with the rise here, 2780 $28 levels as well. Let's see if it does give a breakout. Right now it is seen consolidating here with lower highs and higher lows. MACD again trying to cross over for buys. RSI rising, stochastic rising. Coming to 2 hour, if you look at 2 hour chart, similar observation here, consolidation going on. See, one bullish candle, then retracement, and again this candle is trying to engulf between this complete move, that is 2740 to 2710 level. So I think a good selling entry can be taken at around 2710, but then we have to wait for 27 and 2680. If these two levels are taken, then you can say now silver is turning bearish here. On the upside, 2740 should be a good buying entry. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising, stochastic rising. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour similar observation here, retracement trying to consolidate, wait for a breakout, 20 period moving average giving it a resistance. We have to wait for it to stay above 2740 levels and see. It appears that this was the rise after retracement first candle, so there could be series of candles from here, bullish candles from here. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI and stochastic both are showing a little rise. Coming to 4 hour, likewise for on the 4-hour charts, rise, consolidation, wait for a breakout, 20 period moving average sitting at 2740-50 zone. Could be a very good resistance here for silver. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI and stochastic both are trying to trade bullish. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, you can see preceding candles. See, here we have seen it forming a very long tail and a very smaller body. Yesterday, what has happened? Higher highs are seen and higher lows are seen compared to preceding candle. Now it is trying to engulf its complete movement within this zone. Now this zone has become critical for silver here. Remember, yesterday's candle was a red candle. If it drops below 2710 and then 27 levels, $27 levels are going to remain critical for the day. If you see silver trading below $27 levels, you can say we are looking forward to a round of fall, which can take it towards 2680 and then 2660. If these two levels are taken, consider that we are looking forward to similar size of candle here. Very big candle can appear here, which can in fact take it till towards 2650, 2620 levels as well. But right now it is not showing any such sign. It is trying to reverse here. That is what we can see, because it has already formed a little tail on the downside, and thus once it stays above 2740, you can look forward to 2760, 2780 levels as the next target, and beyond 2780 is where complete reversal can be confirmed. Now remember, this is the zone it has to break, that is $28 levels. If and only if silver trades above 28, we can say now it is reversing, else it is still not under reversal. Why? Because look at the MACD. This is crossed over here. This is trading with divergence. It has further scope for it to continue on the downside. RSI has dropped and stochastic has hit the bottom here. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver at 2740. Be careful as long as 2760 is not taken. It can reverse any point of time. 2750 is a good resistance. 2760 is a good resistance. Beyond this, you can look forward to 2775, 80 and then 28. Beyond 28 is where the bulls will take over. On the downside, you can sell at 2710, but then $27 levels is the first support level, and then 2680. If these two levels are taken, stay bearish. We are looking forward to 2650, 2620 levels very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do be a part of the channel memberships here on YouTube. See you again before the US session. Do not miss to watch that video. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.